What's up, buddy? You got a match slip?
Yeah.
That's good. Good job. High five.
What'd you play?
Against Charizard.
Charizard?
Nice.
So they punched me and they threw me to the ground, my arms behind my back, they broke my zipper and said, "This is what you get for not qualifying for Worlds, bitch." And they slapped me a couple times and sent me to the Pokémon Center.
Yeah, that's what I heard. That's what I heard.
Yeah.
See, there's proof. Proof of the incident. It's broken.
This guy named Shane came over and he punched my grandma too.
Punched your grandma?
He punched my grandma.
Which one? My mom?
Yeah.
Woo! What's up? How'd you do round 2?
I lost.
Okay, okay.
I hit Crystal.
Oh, did you really? I didn't think people were really going to be playing that. I thought it was a myth. A little legend. Good job, bud. Alright, just finished up day 1 with Grayson. Walking over to the Uber, he is 3-3. They were supposed to do 7 rounds day 1, but because of how long overtime and everything was taken, we're doing rounds 7 and 8 tomorrow.
Are you trying to think of something clever and your brain stuck? This is what this long day has done to this child's brain. Loading.
It's frozen, dude.
Can you load, like, do the loading thing right above his head? Edit that in.
The AOL dial-up going.
Yeah.
The new digital service.
Still not.
Where you go?
Water park.
Okay, yay. So we're gonna go water park it up for the last hour or two. So anyway, Grayson currently sitting at 3-3. Nathan has dropped out of it. Trevor Reed, baller, is at the top table as he is 6-1 at this point in time, which is absolutely insane. So hopefully we're going to see that man on stream and see him crushing it for EGS. Let's go.